Hello children, Divakar sir here, ninth class, Commercial Studies. Children, today I will teach you chapter 2, Business Activities. Children, what is business activities? Business is an economic activity. It involves sale, transfer or exchange of goods and services with the purpose of earning money. Goods and services are provided to satisfy human wants rather than for personal use. Okay, so business is an economic activity for earning wealth, acquiring wealth, earning profit, and so on. Okay, then types of industries. What is industries? First of all, yes, children, what is industry? Industry means the production of products with the help of human beings and other resources. It involves the application of man, machine, material, and money. Industry refers to that part of business which produce want satisfying goods. And industry, that means raw material converted into finished and semi-finished goods. Suppose in sugar factory, first of all we have to collect sugar cane, then sugar cane convert into juice and juice convert into sugar. So number of the process are there. Okay, so industry means raw material convert into finished and semi-finished goods. Okay, so these are the industries. In industries we have required men, machinery, material and money also. Okay, and industry, that means goods produced by industry may be capital goods and consumer goods also. Okay, and types of industry. What are the types of industry? First of all, three types of industry: primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. Number one, primary industry. These are the primary industry. Primary industries which are involved in the extraction and multiplication of natural resources are known as primary industries. जो natural resources से हमारे resources collect किए जाते हैं, that is known as primary industry. These industries are original occupation of people. They provided raw material for secondary industry. Understand? Primary industry provided raw material to the secondary industry. Primary industries are two types: genetic industries and extractive industries. Genetic industry, that means plant and nursery, poultry farms, cattle breeding and so on. And extractive industries, that means farming, mining, agriculture, fishing, quarrying, forestry and so on. These are the extractive industries. So primary industries, that means which are multiplication and extraction of natural resources. And primary industries are two types: genetic and extractive industries. Genetic, that means poultry farms, fishing, mining, and extractive industries agriculture, fishing, quarrying and so on. And second is secondary industries. Secondary industries, the industries which are engaged in the conversion of the material provided by primary industries. Secondary industry, that means material provided by primary industries are called secondary industries. For example, the mining of iron and coal is a primary industry. The conversion of these into steel is known as secondary industry. Manufacturing and construction are the two types of secondary industries. Secondary industries are two types: manufacturing and construction. Manufacturing, that means engineering, cement, sugar, textile, fertilizers, are manufacturing industries, and construction industries, that means road, bridge, dams, buildings are the construction industries. So two types of manufacturing industries, okay, and construction industries. Secondary industries are two types, manufacturing and construction, okay. So secondary industries help of primary industries. With the help of primary industries provided natural resources to the secondary industries. And next is tertiary industries. Tertiary industries, these industries are concerned with the provision of services to facilitate and assist the primary and secondary industries. Tertiary industries, that means by primary and secondary industries providing resources to the tertiary industries. Tertiary industries, transportations, warehousing, insurance, banking, advertising, packaging are example of services provided by the tertiary industries. These industries are collective, known as the service sector also, okay, because transportation, warehousing are providing the services, so you can say service sector also, tertiary industries, okay. So industries, that means raw material converted into finished goods, and industries types are primary, secondary and tertiary industries. Primary industries, that means natural resources, multiplication and extraction of natural resources, and secondary industries, that means with the help of primary industries, and tertiary industries, that means primary and secondary industries help to the tertiary industries, and tertiary industries, that means providing services from primary